guys, welcome back to another video. I finally am posting up another video in I don't even know how many months it's been since I posted a video, but I know it's been a while. So last time you saw me, I did a December plan with me for 2020, last month of 2020. Tell you the truth, guys, I think I had one for January, and I think I did one for January. Here's January if you guys want to see a quick look at it. Here's what January looks like. It's very plain, very basic. Didn't really do a lot for January, nor did I do any other month for the last couple of months because I've been writing in it. As you guys can see, I just haven't been decorating my months like I should. So this gives me a chance to actually start a new planner. So I'm gonna finish this planner off for my new semester. My semester doesn't end until about May, late May. So Happy Planner was having a sale. I was like, why not go on there? Sorry I didn't show you guys any video features. I didn't think about doing the video thing until now because I really wanted to do an unboxing, and I got it earlier this morning, and now it's 7 hours later and I really want to open it. So here's the box. It came very, very fast. I live in Texas and the place is in California. Very surprised because I thought it was gonna take a lot longer than it's supposed to be. While I open this up, I'm just gonna tell you guys a little bit what I'm thinking about doing with my channel. And basically what I think that I'm going to do on my channel, do whatever I feel like it. I don't know if it's me, because I technically don't have one idea that I want to do on this channel. I want to do multiple things. So you guys are going to see random videos pop up and whatnot. So if you guys see a painting video pop up and it's like a short 5-minute painting video, I'm going to have more of those go up. Some digital painting video. You guys are going to see that soon enough. By the end of the year, you guys will see a moving video, possibly a card process, which I really haven't been filming because I've been going through that card process. So you guys are just going to see whatever I post up, whatever I feel like posting up, because I don't know what I want to do. Seriously, I don't know what I want to do. And I do want to get back to posting on my YouTube channel. I just haven't had the time, but now since it's getting later into the semester, I think I have more time to do it. So let's go ahead and get into opening up this. I ordered a couple planner stickers, and I also ordered a couple of planners that I am going to be building together. So I am going to have a new planner series. Excited for that. So excited for that. So let's go ahead and get into what we got in here. So the first one I got is Modern Farmhouse. I'll give you guys a quick flip through, but as we do the planner videos, we are going to get more into it. So this is the Modern Farmhouse, and this is basically what it looks like. It's the gold foils, a lot of prints, some thin prints. Yeah, I like these. These are nice. Next thing I got was the Modern Year. So I got Modern Farmhouse and Modern Year, and this one's pinks and pastels. So basically I picked out schemes that will actually match the planners, and you guys will see the planners soon. But yeah, oh, these are so cute. Finally the weekend, hello to the weekend, loving the weekend. Look at that. Hooray to the weekend. Oh my god, those are so cute. So all of this stuff can be found on happyplanner.com, and I A, looked in the sale area, and B, looked into the regular priced areas. This is the journaling doodles one. So this has more doodles in it and whatnot, because I like the little mini doodles that they have. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm just giving you guys a quick flip through of them. I'm really not, because I'm trying not to take you guys' time, but quick flip through. Next one I got is the Farmhouse. I got Modern Farmhouse, and I also got Farmhouse, which I've been loving the plants, so I wanted to add more plants into it. So here's what it looks like. Ooh, love that. I don't think I'm going to use the pigs and the turkey, but I might be using the meal plan things. Those are nice. This is the journaling sticker, and your journaling needs. And this is what this looks like. So you have hydrate stickers, time stickers, months stickers, gold foil, other numbers, more numbers, days of the week, more days of the week in gold foil, which I love. Just a lot of simple doodle stickers, because I am not a drawer, but I am willing to incorporate those. And then the last thing I got was this. I don't know how to say the name, but wrong everyday stickers. Which I had to get these stickers, you know. So they look like gold foil, black, silver, greens, pinks, and multicolors. Yeah. Okay. So with the planners, I've ordered 2. So this is the 21-22. This is your yearbook. So this is the dashboard layout. So I'll show you what the dashboard layout looks like. But this is how the dashboard layout works. So you have your errands on this side, your to buy, bills to pay, calls and emails. It's for somebody who wants a simplistic look into their thing. Looks like without the reflection, the ring light. Yeah. So alright guys, so there is the monthly dashboard, and it is like a pink and a tan, and here is like July, how it shows the overview, and I love the simplicity of what the months look like. And I'm doing this voiceover really quickly because when I was actually talking through this video, I just felt like it just felt too long. So yeah, each month has a specific color. So July, as you can see, July actually has tan. August has like a brown, I believe. No, August has a pink. Then we go to a black for September. Then we go to a tan again for October. So it flips through, and you'll see the same thing happening with things. So I'm giving you guys like a look to what each of the monthly pages look like, and I'm pointing out that my birthday is on the 3rd. Hello. And yeah, and I was talking about like the simplicity of the July 4th. So keep on watching, and here's a part where you make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay tuned. Yeah, so if you guys want to watch me like work with the Happy Planner dashboard, and watch me work with the Happy Planner dashboard and see if you would want the Happy Planner dashboard, go ahead and then wait. I think maybe after the first month I'll tell you guys if it's worth getting the Happy Planner dashboard. This is the Let It Grow planner. Okay guys, so here's a flip through of the Let It Grow planner, and I'm just going to tell you guys what I'm going to do with these 2 planners. Basically, I'm going to be combining both of them, both the vertical portion of it and both the vertical portion of it, since each of the planners are set up the same way. As you guys can see, July, August, September, and October all have the same tans, like the same pink, black, tan, so on and so forth setup as both of them. I'm showing you guys right here how the setups are similar of the color schemes. So yeah, and I can't wait to actually show you guys how I'm going to combine these planners, because most likely it'll be maybe one half of the year being set up in one certain planner and another half of the year set up in another planner. So I'm telling you guys, really do stay tuned, because I'm going to try to put these out very frequently. So yeah, this is just a quick flip through of what this other planner looks like. These 2 planners, difference between these two planners is that this one is an 18-month planner, so it goes all the way to December of next year, while this one only goes to June of next year, which I don't mind, but you know, you gotta love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, sorry if that made noise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I truly did enjoy unboxing all of these things that I've gotten. And my mom just made a noise downstairs. And I hope you guys come and join me when it is June and we're setting, maybe end of May actually. End of May, we'll say that. When it's end of May and we're setting up our happy planners. Right. No. End of June. Yes, end of June. When we're setting up our happy planners. So yeah. So thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.